Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Crista. In today's video, I'm going to show you a graduation makeup look that won't break your bank but will make you picture ready for your graduation day. I'll be using all affordable makeup products, so without further ado, let's get started. As always, my face is already clean and moisturized. You don't want any flashbacks on your graduation photo, so do not use any makeup or skincare products that has SPF on it. For my primer, I'm going to use Maybelline Face Studio Primer to minimize my pores. For my foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay. This has no flashbacks and it's full coverage, so it's excellent for flash photography. For my concealer, I'm going to use Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Same with the foundation, this has no flashbacks and it's full coverage. I'm going to use this to highlight the center of my face. I'm going to bake my face today. I'll be using Nichido Final Powder. This will make your makeup last longer. Especially in the Philippines, there will be a lot of graduating students, so you have to wait your turn. While this is all baking, I'm going to draw my eyebrows. I'm going to use Maybelline Total Temptation and Loreal Paradise Pomade. For my brow mascara, I'm going to use Maybelline Brow Precise. I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Face for my face powder. For my eye primer, I'm going to use Essence I Love Color. This will intensify the color of my eyeshadow. I'm going to set it using the LA Girl Pro Face powder. this eyeshadow, I have W7 Life's a Peach. I'm going to use the shade Peach Please as my transition shade. I'm going to apply it above the crease line. For my crease area, I'm going to use the shade Golden Nectar. For my outer V, I'm going to use the shade Pit Stop. I'm going to apply powder on my under eye area so I can just brush away the fallout.
That's good.
For my shimmer shade, I'm going to use a liquid one from Essence. It's the Metal Shock eyeshadow in the shades Stars and Stories. Tight line, and for my waterline, I'm going to use Essence Brown Pencil Eyeliner. I'm going to apply falsies off camera and I'll be back. To finish my eyes, I'm going to apply this shade Peach Please on my bottom lash line. The next shade is Golden Nectar. Then very close to the lash line, I'm going to apply Pit Stop using a pencil brush. I'm going to use the liquid eyeshadow again for the inner corners of the eyes. For my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to use e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. For my mascara, I have Maybelline Lash Sensational. For my bronzer, I'm going to use the bronzer side on the Step Right Up palette. This is by Colourpop.
That's good.
I'm going to use this for my nose contour as well. For my contour and blush, I'm going to use Maybelline Master Contour. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the e.l.f. again. It's in the shade Moonlight Pearl. For my lips, I have Essence Lip Liner and Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. And lastly, for my setting spray, I have Maybelline Master Fix. So this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to get notified whenever I upload new video, please hit that bell button as well. See you in my next one. Bye!